Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a winter wheat field located in western New York, where a 165 engine horsepower, 190 bushel storage capacity John Deere 7720 turbo combine is harvesting the crop with a 15-foot wide John Deere 215 grain head. In this video, I would like to share with you the combine's production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all the harvesting action. The 7720 Turbo is part of John Deere's Titan series of combines introduced for model year 1979 and manufactured at the company's Harvester Works located in East Moline, Illinois through 1985. The 7720 Turbo was the midsize model in John Deere's first generation of Titan series combines featuring the SoundGuard cab with a yellow roof. The entry-level model was the 125 horsepower, 166 bushel Model 6620 Turbo, and the top-end combine was the 225 engine horsepower, 222 bushel Model 8820 Turbo. The 7720 is powered by a 7.6-liter, 466 cubic inch John Deere 6-cylinder engine. It can be ordered standard from the factory at 145 engine horsepower with a Positorque drive. An optional 165 engine horsepower model was available with a hydrostatic drive for an additional cost of $3,672. This machine is fitted with a 100-gallon diesel fuel tank. It features a 55-inch wide cylinder and 5 straw walkers for threshing grain. It's equipped with a 190-bushel grain tank that will unload at 1.9 bushels per second from a standard 14-foot unloading auger or an optional 17-foot unloading auger. The 7720 Turbo weighed in at 20,562 pounds when it rolled off the assembly line. The base list price for this machine when it was new was $86,346. Customers could order an optional four-wheel drive package for the combine, which added an additional $9,440 to the price tag. The Model 215 grain head harvesting wheat in this video had a list price of $9,254. The 7720 Turbo could be equipped with grain platforms from 13 to 24 feet. This Western New York dairy farm harvesting wheat prefers to use the 15-foot model because it allows the combine to windrow the straw into a manageable size for small square baling. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field hearing and seeing this John Deere 7720 Turbo Combine at work. I would like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use a Titan or Titan 2 series combine on your farm. Tell me about the crops that you harvest with it. If you have appreciated this presentation, I hope you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional harvesting content from the channel, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to 2 more Big Tractor Power YouTube videos. As always, thank you for watching.